So today we're going to be fixing little Goatee. Can we fix it? He's got a little hole in the ear, so the girls have been asking me to fix it for ages. So today is the day that I'm going to do it, and I'll share it with you. So if you've got any broken top toys, you can easily fix them following my instructions. Let's get to it. So what do we need today to fix a little Goatee? We need white thread, we need a nail, and we need scissors. I love my clippers, so I'm going to be using clippers today, but any scissors will do. First of all, white thread in a needle. There you go. I suggest we use a double thread or knot at the end. So how do I do my knots? I just roll it around my finger and then just scroll it and then pull it. And here it is, a knot. Toy is super soft and fluffy. The knot is not going to show out on when I'm fixing it. So yeah, so the hole is super tiny, but the girls still weren't playing with it and thought it needs fixing, so that's all we're going to do today. I'm just going to compare how the other side is, so it seems like it needs to come quite low down. I'm looking at here, so I'm just going to pull it as down as possible and just fix it like that. I see. There is a little rip there as well, so that needs to be fixed as well. First of all, put the needle through so the knot will stay inside the ear, and just pull the fabric down as much as I can. With these kind of awkward fixings and fluffy toys or animals or any clothes as well, I think hand stitching is the best option because you wouldn't get close to it with a sewing machine. Just fix it up, and the fluffiness afterwards is going to cover it all up as well, so we're all good. But yeah, here it is, just attaching it to the main body of the toy, and the kids will be super happy that the Goatee is well again. So just let's have a look. I think that is pretty good. Might do just one or two more stitches. Can't even make a part which part is fluffy here and which one is kind of the fabric itself. So oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I can't even say apart which side was broken. So yeah, gonna just finish it off now, make a nice little knot again at the end. So for that I'll just create a loop and then just slide the needle through again and just pull. That creates a nice little knot, and I just pull it through inside the toy and inside, so it's unlikely to come out, and just cut it off like so. So there is good ear, and this is good ear as well now, so all fixed. Kids will be happy.